Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Sri Lankan Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the Settings button and click on that. And as you can see at the Notification Alerts section, there's this gray button that if you touch, then it will turn blue, and it means that the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.